Atalanta and the Golden Apples. Atalanta and the Golden Apple. Okay, we'll see a Greek mythology story. Okay, Calydon was an ancient Greek city where lived a girl called Atalanta. Atalanta was famous throughout Greece because she was a fearless huntress. She always went hunting with the men. She could shoot as well as any of the men, and no man could run as fast as she could. Now, Atalanta was very beautiful and many wanted to marry her, but she said she would never marry a man unless he won a race against her. And to make sure that no man competed unless he really loved her, she said that anyone who lost a race was to be banished. Banished means officially order someone to leave a country. To leave a country, that is called banished from the kingdom. In spite of this condition, several men came forward, but they all failed to win and were sent out. One day, when Atalanta was racing against another competitor, a young man called Melanion. So, young man called name is Melanion was among the people watching the race. He fell in love at once with the lovely Atalanta, and he prayed to Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty. So the goddess of beauty, who is the goddess of beauty? Aphrodite. Okay, Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty, to help him win the beautiful girl for his wife. Aphrodite heard his prayer and sent him 3 golden apples. So the goddess heard the prayer and she sent 3 golden apples. She told him to carry the apples with him in the race and to drop them one at a time. Of Atalanta showed sense of winning. Melanion was a very good looking young man, and the people watching the race liked him better than any of the other competitor. For once they did not want Atalanta to win, and with a great effort Melanion succeeded in getting in front of her. All the people cheered him on, but he knew he could not lead in the race for long against the fast running girl, and he threw the first one of the 3 golden apples he had at her feet. Seeing the golden fruit, Atalanta became very curious, and she stopped for a minute to pick it up, while Melanion ran on. But soon he heard her breathe close behind him again, and he knows she would pass him before long. He threw down. See, she's a girl, Atalanta, and he is a man, Melanion. Now both of them having a running race. So see, he had 3 golden apples. No, he threw the first apple, and now he is going to throw the second golden apple. See, so what's happening now? He threw down the second apple and ran on, while Atalanta stopped for 1 quick minute to pick it up. Melanion was still in front, and the people cheered wildly. The end of the race was in sight, but he was very tired now, and he could hear that Atalanta had nearly caught up with him again. With a prayer to Aphrodite, he threw the last golden apple to the side of the path, so that Atalanta would have to turn aside to get it. He was afraid that she might not stop stop a third time for fear of losing the race. But he was very glad to see her turn and pick up the apple. It gave him just that extra minute he needed. With the the last great effort, he passed the winning post a few inches in front of Atalanta, and so the quick-footed huntress was beaten, and Melanion won her for his wife. This is the story, students. Thank you.